If nobody knows you, nobody pays you. But when the right people know you, they can't ignore you. If your name never shows up, your work never gets seen, your voice is never heard, then opportunities will pass you by even if you're qualified. In this video, we will learn the following. 1. Why visibility is more powerful than skill alone. 2. How to build a personal brand as an engineer. 3. How to use your daily work as content. 4. And how to turn attention into real income. Welcome to this channel, the Merchant Construct-preneurs and Tutors. You can be extremely skilled and still be broke. Because skill alone doesn't bring money. Visibility brings opportunities. Think about your everyday life on site. You supervise a slab casting perfectly. You detect a critical mistake that could have caused structural failure. You interpret drawings accurately and save the client money. But who knows? Your colleagues? Maybe. The client? Sometimes. The market? Not at all. So from the outside, it's like you're doing nothing. Meanwhile, another engineer is posting site updates, sharing lessons, explaining structural concepts, and showing progress online. Guess who clients remember? Not necessarily the best engineer, but the most visible and trusted one. And this is not about showing off. It's about positioning. In today's digital world, if you're not visible, you're replaceable because clients don't have time to search deeply. They choose based on what they see repeatedly. So if your name never shows up, your work never gets seen, your voice is never heard, then opportunities will pass you by, even if you're qualified. This video will change that. Do I need to remind you that skills without visibility is invisible value? Skill alone is no longer enough. There was a time when being technically good guaranteed success. If you were competent, word would spread, and clients would find you, but that world has changed. Today, we live in an attention-driven economy. People don't just choose the best. They choose the most visible, relatable, and trusted. Now think about your current reality as an engineer. You might be preparing structural drawings late at night, supervising reinforcement placement under the sun, solving on-site problems that others can't handle. But all of that effort is hidden. No documentation, no visibility, no audience. So what happens? You remain unknown. And in the marketplace, unknown equals untrusted. Meanwhile, another engineer, maybe not even as experienced as you, is sharing day 3 of foundation work. Common mistake in beam reinforcement. What every client should know before building. And people are watching, they are learning, they are engaging, they are remembering that name. So when a project comes up, who do you think they'll call? The invisible expert, or the visible authority? This is not about ego. It's about perception. Because people don't pay for what they don't understand. And content helps people understand your value. When you explain your work, you remove confusion. When you show your process, you build trust. When you stay consistent, you build authority. Here's a powerful mindset shift. Your work is not complete until it is seen. That beam you designed, show it. That mistake you corrected, talk about it. That project you supervised, document it. Because the more people see you solving problems, the more they believe you can solve theirs. And that belief is what brings money. As engineers, personal branding is your professional reputation. Let's simplify what personal branding really means, especially for engineers. Personal branding is not about wearing suits on camera. It's not about showing luxury. It's not about pretending to be perfect. It's about one thing: being known for solving a specific problem. As an engineer, your brand is your professional identity. It answers questions like, what do you specialize in? What kind of projects do you handle? Why should someone trust you? For example, if someone says, I need someone who understands structural design for residential buildings. Does your name come to mind? If not, then your brand is not clear yet. And clarity is everything. Because confused people don't hire. When your brand is clear, people don't just see you. They remember you for something specific. That's what you want. Another important thing, your brand is already being built, whether you like it or not. If you're not actively shaping it, people are forming their own assumptions. Silence creates ambiguity, and ambiguity reduces trust. Now here's the good news. As an engineer, you have endless content around you. Every day on site, you see mistakes, corrections, progress, lessons, etc. That is content. You don't need to fake lifestyle. You don't need to act. Just document reality. Explain what you're doing in simple terms. Because when you teach, people listen. And when people listen consistently, they begin to trust. And trust is what converts attention into money. So instead of thinking, what should I post? Start thinking, what problem can I explain today? That's how strong engineering brands are built. A critical question to ask yourself is, how can I start building my brand today? Now let's move from theory to action. Because knowledge without execution changes nothing. The biggest mistake engineers make is overthinking content. They think they need expensive cameras, perfect editing, professional setups. No, you already have what you need. Your phone is enough. Your site is your studio. Your work is your content. Start simple. On your next site visit, record a 30 to 60-second video. Explain what is happening. Point out something important. Share one lesson. That's it. Consistency matters more than perfection. You can post on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Each platform has a role. YouTube right-pointing arrow long-form authority. Instagram right-pointing arrow visibility and reach. LinkedIn right-pointing arrow professional credibility. You don't need to master all at once. Start with one. Stay consistent. Content ideas you can use immediately includes mistakes I saw on site today. What clients should never ignore during construction. How to read structural drawings simply. Why this building failed. These topics spark curiosity. They solve problems. They attract attention. And here's the key. Don't try to impress engineers, educate clients. Because clients are the ones who pay. Use simple language. Break things down. Make it relatable. Also show your face when possible. People connect with people, not just information. And over time, something powerful happens. People begin to recognize you. They start engaging. They start asking questions. And eventually, they start reaching out. That's how branding turns into opportunity. How visibility turns into clients. Let's connect the dots clearly. Visibility is not just about likes and views. It's about conversion. Here's the process. Visibility right-pointing arrow familiarity right-pointing arrow trust right-pointing arrow inquiry right-pointing arrow payment. When people see you repeatedly, something happens psychologically. You become familiar, and familiarity builds comfort. People trust what feels familiar. That's why someone who has never met you can still say, I've been following your work. I trust you. Now imagine this scenario. A client is planning a building project. They have two options. Engineer A, highly skilled, but unknown. Engineer B, always sharing insights, showing projects, explaining processes. Who do you think they will choose? Most times, Engineer B because they already feel connected. They already understand his thinking. They already trust his approach. And here's the powerful part. You don't need to convince them aggressively. Your content has already done the work. Instead of selling, you are being selected. This changes everything. You move from, please give me the job, to, I want you to handle my project. That shift is powerful, because it also affects your pricing. When clients come through visibility, they negotiate less. They respect your expertise more. They pay faster. Why? Because they already believe in your value. This is why branding is not optional anymore. It's a business tool. If you ignore it, you rely on luck and referrals. If you use it, you create consistent opportunities. Mistakes that will kill your brand. Before you go all in, let's address the mistakes that can slow you down. First, waiting for perfection. Many engineers delay posting because they want everything to look perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect editing, perfect delivery. But perfection is the enemy of progress. Your first videos will not be great. That's normal. What matters is starting. Second, inconsistency. Posting once and disappearing for weeks will not build a brand. Consistency builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. Even if it's once or twice a week, stay consistent. Third, trying to copy others. It's good to learn from others, but don't lose your voice. Your experiences are unique. Your site stories are different. Your perspective matters. Authenticity wins. Fourth, fear of judgment. Yes, people will talk. Some will criticize. Some will laugh. But here's the truth. They are not your target audience. The people who need your knowledge will appreciate it. And those are the ones who will pay you. Fifth, focusing on vanity metrics. Likes and views are good, but they are not everything. Focus on value, consistency, clarity, because even with small views, the right person can see your content and change your life. One client can be worth more than 10,000 views. So don't chase attention blindly. Build meaningful visibility. Position yourself as an authority. Now let's talk about leveling up. It's not enough to just be visible, you must be positioned correctly. You don't want to be known as just another engineer. You want to be known as the structural expert, the site problem solver, the engineer who explains things clearly. That's authority, and authority attracts premium clients. How do you build it? 1. By educating consistently. 2. Breaking down complex topics into simple explanations. For example, why buildings crack, how to avoid foundation failure, what every client should check before pouring concrete. When you simplify complex ideas, people respect you more. Because clarity is powerful. 3. Also, share real experiences. Talk about challenges you faced on site and how you solved them. That shows competence. Another powerful strategy is consistency of message. Don't be everywhere doing everything. Focus on a niche. Maybe structural design, site supervision, construction mistakes. Own that space. So when people think about that topic, they think about you. That's positioning. And when you're positioned well, something happens. You become the go-to person. And go-to people don't struggle for clients. They choose clients. From visibility to income, let's bring everything together. Because visibility without strategy won't pay you. You need to convert attention into income. Here's how. First, make it easy to contact you. Your profile should clearly show what you do, who you help, how to reach you. Second, guide your audience. Don't just post and disappear. Tell them what to do next. Send me a message if you need help. Contact me for your project. Third, build trust before selling. Your content should educate, show results, demonstrate expertise, so when you present your price, it feels justified. Fourth, maintain professionalism. When clients reach out, respond clearly. Set boundaries. Present your fees confidently. Because branding brings attention, but professionalism closes deals. And finally, be patient. Branding is not instant, but once it builds momentum, it compounds. One post leads to one connection. One connection leads to one client. One client leads to referrals. And suddenly, you're no longer chasing, you're choosing. That's the goal. Because at the end of everything, if nobody knows you, nobody pays you. But when the right people know you, they can't ignore you. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe you got value from it. For more educative content on construction and structural engineering, don't forget to share, like, comment, turn on the notification button and subscribe to this channel, The Merchant Construct-preneurs and Tutors. See you in the next video. Bye.